the stream has successfully moved into a different category. So now we're recapping my trades. Are you ready? I have them on my computer too. So I kind of have to look at them on my computer. And you can look at them here on my phone. So that I can show you what I did today. Okay. Arzuga, are you even following Red Keeney? Are you even following me? Don't think so. You can follow me and then... Oh my god, it's still going up. This is crazy. I could have taken that trade. Anyway. Okay. Here's what we did today. So here's the day in the white. And the trades that I took a trade at... Are you following and did you subscribe? You're not a subscriber, or you'd have like the little thing on the side, but you didn't subscribe, so. Okay, I took a trade at orb, 15-minute orb in the morning. So when the market opens, I wait 15 minutes, I mark out the highs and lows, and then if it crosses and then comes back down, which it did, let me go to the minute. Then I take a trade in the direction that it crosses the orb, right? So let me go down here. So I took a trade at 63.88, right? Is that the first one? Yeah, 63.88. I'll mark it here. Okay. And I put my stops below. Look, you guys are gonna learn something today, right? Oh my god, Doom's Courage. Loves Red Keeney. Alex. I love those emotes. Okay, so I took this and I took it all the way up to let me see on my computer. I got out at 64.06. So 06 is right here. But the reason why I got out is not because I like trailed my stop. So really I could have gotten that, but I got out on that candle there. Okay, so that was my first trade of the day. What do you guys think so far? Do you even know what I'm talking about? That was my first trade this morning. Then, okay, let me zoom out a little bit so you can actually see this bigger. Okay. Then I took another trade. Decent insight, good description. Thank you, Alex. Okay, this is my first recap I've done like online. Like I obviously recap my own trades to myself, but I never really do. Okay, so I'm doing it on my computer, so that's why you're seeing. Okay, I got out at that one there. Okay, so that's the next trade that I took. See that small leg up? The reason why I did that was because I thought I saw good momentum in this candle. If I zoom in a little bit, in that first candle, see that green one where I took the trade? And I thought maybe it was just doing something sort of like how it is here, where it drops down, comes back up. So I thought that was what was gonna happen here. It's gonna go back a lot higher. But I ended up trailing my stop. So I didn't have my stop that, I had it up there, see? I trailed my stop once I got in profit, and then it took me out around one of those red candles. If you can see around these red candles there. So that was my second trade of the day. I did 5 trades today. Then, and if you were here a little bit earlier, Orion Trading, I watch his stream every single morning on TikTok, and I took a trade with him as well today. So I'll tell you which one that one was. CJ says, new tariffs will cause extreme changes in the market. Yeah. Every time there's like something about that, there is definitely big changes that we see. Okay, the next one, it doesn't matter to me because either way you can make money going up or down. So this one, I took this trade down and I got out there. So it's gonna pop up. Oh, there it is. Okay. So if you see, I took this small short, and honestly I could have held it longer because it did go further lower, and that was the trade I took with Orion Trading this morning. So I did take that one. I just held for a little bit, and then as I saw it coming back up again, I kind of got nervous because I am still new to trading. So I didn't want to, I don't know, get stopped out and lose money. So I had my stops on this one. I had them, where is this? Is this one? I feel like I didn't have them that high up. I think I had it like just like that, like really, really short stop. And I think maybe I took it like there. Yeah. So I didn't want it to come back out of profit. So I just took the small move there. And then I did, let's see, another short. Yes, I did another short from here. And this one, it was another tiny one because I got nervous again, even though it did go further lower. So that was the next one that I took. So now we have, what, like 3 or 4 trades on the chart? Yeah, we have 4 trades that I took. I think this one was an A+ setup that I have here. And then these ones, that one, I don't know, like a C. This one is honestly a good trade. That's the one I told you I took with Orion. And it did move further down. So I would say that one was like, I don't know, like a B+. Like it was a pretty good trade. I just got nervous. And then the last trade of the day that I took was actually, I think, an A+ trade. And I'll tell you why I took it too. So it was another short position. And, oh, whoops, I just placed that in the wrong place. But let me find the spot really quick. Oops. The next one that I took is, okay, it's over here. So I took this. Okay, I could have held slightly longer because it did go down a little bit further. This is the one I took. And I think my stops were more like right there because I didn't want it to stop me out. Anyways, I could have held slightly longer. As you can see, I missed like 2 candles. But I had like this weird feeling. Have you seen, wait, what'd you say? This is good practice as well to recap on stream. So true. Chat might have great trade minds. Yeah. So have you seen Severance? In Severance, they're just looking at numbers, and then the guy's like, oh, just throw away the ones that are bad numbers. And then he's like, well, how are you supposed to know they're bad? And he was like, you just get a gut feeling. Severance is a trip, literally. So you know how they're just organizing these numbers, and then when they get a bad feeling, they throw away the bad number, right? So that's kind of what happened to me on this one. So I had a really good trade. I think this was a good setup because I waited for, let me show you. If I show you like on the 15 minute, let me show you on 15 minute. Okay. If I show you on the 15 minute, it dropped below, see where this little line thing is? Okay, so it dropped below here. And that made me think that it was gonna go at least to this line here. So it did. it did go all the way down, and then it came straight back up. I could have taken that up as well, but I just didn't know if it was going to drop even lower from there. But I took from this point, from like 64.11 down to almost the bottom, like 64.7 or 6. So it was a good drop, and that's why I took it, because it went below the 64.11 line. And then, like I said, it did come all the way back up, and it's still moving up. I don't know how it's still moving up after hours like that much. It's so crazy. But I saw that leg, like that stretch basically. Let's go on 5 minute. I think that's good. This, let me get back my little, oh, I can't do it. What the heck? I can't show you. Severance is a good show though. Okay, here it is. From here, from like 64.05, honestly, you could have taken it at probably 64.09, all the way up to 64.25. That would have been a crazy, crazy trade. I almost like could have taken that trade, but when I took this small trade here, whoops. When I took the small trade here, this one that I was just zoomed in on, as soon as I got out, I looked away and I started doing something else, and within like a minute, this giant candle formed here. And then I felt like it was maybe a little bit too late. I just didn't know what it was gonna do, even though it kept climbing. So you could have got in, like I said, like, whoops. I think I could have got in here, 64 either 8 or even 11, and then taken it to here, or I could have gotten in here, 64 17-ish, because it powered through, which was a sort of like a resistance point, and taken it up to here. But now it's too late, because I don't know what it's gonna do again, unless it busts through this this wall right here. Oh my god, listen to the music. If it busts through this sort of spot, then maybe you could take another long, but I just feel like it's so risky. It's been flying up all day. What the fuck is bikini rating? Oh, I see you now. Bad Maddie, where have you been? We've been on for like 2 hours and 15 minutes and you've been gone. Also, what is this music? We need next. Okay, good. Okay, so those are my 5 trades today. Overall, I would rate myself for today's trade, because I got the first giant leg of that, I'm honestly really proud of myself. But I'm going to rate today a B. I think I did okay. UK is banned from watching the pool selection thanks to some new law. No way. No way. So that's why you can see me now, because I'm not in that section. That's crazy. You got to use ID to watch, and then I don't know what you said because it bleeped it out. Bleeped. Oops. Corn. Oh. Oh my god, no way! You can't watch it? That's messed up. That's so messed up. Why are they censoring you? That's terrible. Depending on what it does right here, right now, it's like, look at that strong 5-minute candle. I don't know. Should I take another trade? That's crazy. I can't believe they're censoring you. If it's just like to, like a, what is it called? Like a face scan, then I think that's fine. But what is like my actual mouse on the screen? I don't get it. Oh, what is that? Okay. Is my mouse still on the screen? Oh my god, it is. What the heck? So weird. Brian, hi. Do you follow Red Keaty? If it's just like a face scanner, whatever, I feel like that's not a big idea or like big deal. But if you can't watch it at all, then that's messed up. They shouldn't censor you like that. Brian, what are all these emotes? That's not me. You need to use the Red Keaty emote. Timothy said, I hope you like it. Wait, like what? Like what? Silly thing is when you get internet at home, you have 18 lock on it, so kids can't view those sites anyways. So I don't get why the law was passed. Yeah, that's so strange. I mean, if you just have to put in your ID, like whatever, but then why can't you see the bikini stream here? Because that's not, like, you have to be 18, right? Anyways, so you'd have to put your ID anyways. Scroll up to a message. Oh. Under general for your surprise. General. Okay. Let's see. Wait, first I'm gonna put this back on a 15-minute, and I'm gonna put it here so we can watch it. And then Discord. I have so many tabs open, it's actually painful. You can see the pool section in ASMR on Twitch, but not Kick, which is more odd. Yeah, that's so odd, because Kick, I feel like, isn't as big as Twitch. Like, you'd think that they would do that on Twitch first. It's also crazy you guys can see my mouse, but, like, nothing that I'm doing. So weird. Okay. Discord. General. Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my god, I love it! I'm a little anime character. That is so cute. And my phone case is yellow and black. Look at my phone case. It's like almost identical. That is so cute, Timothy. That is so cute. Ah! I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. I have so many tabs open, it's actually insane. I need to do something about this. Oh my god, I have so many tabs open. This is painful. Okay. Just for you, my favorite role model. You're welcome, Queen. Oh my god, thank you. Oh, Jeff, take care. Sleep well. And Bad Maddie said, also, I can still access those sites. They're not banned them all yet. Okay, well, that's good. But yet... The Tab Queen. I know. I really am. Why did that literally just hit me when I was like, I was just spacing out. And I was like, oh yeah, the tab queen. I just spaced out for a second, sorry. Okay, let's see what's going on like a 1 minute. Because it looks like it's not moving very fast. Okay, so the line really is like about here. Because it won't pass that line. And look at this is how I mark my chart. Whoa. Oh my god, I just felt something furry. It was Raisin. He's underneath me. Oh my god, that actually scared me. Hi, Papa. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay. What was I about to do? I forgot. Oh yeah, okay. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do it on here and then it'll show up on my computer or on my phone. So this box is basically where we've been during these like after hours. See that purple box I just made? So if it breaks out of this, then it would probably be going in whatever direction it's going in. But that green line is from yesterday's high. So yesterday's high was a little bit higher. It was like here. See that? Be kind of a big jump. But today it seems like it's like right there. It's kind of where it keeps hitting. I think it will hit yesterday's high. Okay. And then if it goes above that, the next sort of high is from last week, maybe? Let me see. Oh, then we have another one. Let's see where it comes up. So we have another sort of peak here. That one. And then the next real high after that, I'm going to delete this one, is, oh my god, where is it? It's way up here, 64.68. And that one was from July 30th. So not that long ago. I think it could go back up. Because also, if we look at it like this, I'm going to make a brew as fun as this is. Oh my god! You've been away for 4 weeks. Damn. No, I wasn't. I literally went live last week. Twice. You've been gone. When I need to go to sleep, I could just watch this for 15 minutes. You're so mean. You're so mean. But you bring the heat, so keep it up, eh? This is good practice. Oh, thank you, Alex. That's so sweet. Bad Maddie, come on. Get with it. Okay, what I was going to say is... Wait, what was I going to say about this? Now I forgot. Oh, yeah. I wanted to turn this to like a 1 hour chart so that I could see the whole thing like big. I think we're on an upwards trend. What's going on over here? Yeah. Let's go even further out, like a day chart. Yikes. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so each candle's a day. And look at today. Today was all green. The last stream on record was 4 weeks ago. You're lying. You're lying! I went last week. The last stream was... Oh. That was 4 weeks ago? What is wrong with me? I don't know why. What? That was 4 weeks ago? I swear time flies when you're not having fun. Okay, Bad Maddie, you're right. Nicholas, it was 4 weeks ago. I'm sorry. That was that. Sorry. I'm sorry, Bad Maddie. You're right. My personal blog. No, because I really thought that was last week. I feel like time has just flown by. Never question me again. Well, I guess you're right. You were right, so how could I? How could I? We're in an upward climb, so that might just keep going up. Oh my god, that was like a down from here, but look at, that's like up here. Oh wait, where's this? Oh, that's like an all-time high. That must be the all-time high from last month. This was the all-time high, which was 64.68. She's been in this red bikini for 4 weeks. She needs... What? Clear to buy more? The whole point is that it's red bikini. I didn't wear it all week. I wore it for stream, and then I wore it for stream again. It's my bikini. My little bikini, because it's a little bit small for these. They're bulging out the seams, as you can see. I think we'll hit all-time high again, but it might be a few weeks. Maybe 4 to be exact. We should calculate that. Just because 4 has been like a funny thing today. If we hit all-time high in 4 weeks, then that's funny. Each one of these is a day though, so it's probably not gonna be 4 weeks. Probably 4 days. Okay, my guess is 4 days. Red goes very nicely with my bathroom floor. Oh, bedroom floor. Why not your bedroom, your bed in your bedroom? Why the floor? You have a red carpet or something? Are you a redhead? You should do bikini try on haul and things get the chat popping again. But you can't even be in the bikini stream. If I change it back to bikini, because I can't do try on haul in the crypto and trading space, I'd have to change it back to bikini and then you'd get kicked off, wouldn't you? Or would you not? You can stay now. So if I change it back, you can still stay. Okay, well, I've been on for 2 hours and 32 minutes. So if we get 1 sub, then we will do a bikini try on. The hack, if join while in another section, you can stay watching. Okay. Well, then maybe I'll just start every stream with doing my trading recap so that you can come in, and then we'll move over to bikini. But if anyone wants to see the bikini try on, I need 1 sub right now. Or else I'm leaving now. Because I was about to end the stream. Been here 2 hours and a half. So, 1 sub. Whoops. 1 sub. Or I'm out of here. Make sure I can come on. What a thoughtful girl. I know. Maybe because I like you. You're pretty fun. Not gonna lie. And another one on Discord. Ooh, let's see it. Wait, I got a question. You just into girls or bi? I'm pan, which I guess is bi. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, Timothy! That is so cute. I'm saving these and I'm gonna do something with them. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. These are so cute. Ah! Those are so cute. Hi, Fedora, you love the red kini. On try-on section. You like the try-on hauls? Okay, well, I said if someone wants to do a sub, then I will stay and do a try-on of my bikinis, and if not, I'm leaving in 1 second. Oh my god, Alex, you're the best vibes. Alex already did 2, so come on. You've got, I'm putting on a timer. Put yourself back in the pool section. No. I'm waiting for a sub, and then if not, I'm getting off. Those are the options. I'm putting on a timer. 30 seconds. If you want to see me try on bikinis, we need 1 sub, and if not, that simple no. Nicholas, you know I have to be a little sassy, because Bad Maddie's always sassy. As you get more people. We've stayed at the same amount, basically the whole stream. And I've already been on for super long, so I kind of am ready to go. Because I'm tired. My voice hurts. But I'll come on more. I promise I won't be 4 weeks. I promise. That was too long. Yeah, I only want 2 for a sub, but if not, I kind of want to go now because my voice is tired. More people means more chance of sub, but no worries. I know that, but I don't want to. So if you want to, the people here can make that decision, and if not, then no. 10 seconds is on the timer. She needs a break, literally. Not later today, no. Clip that. Clip it. Well, wouldn't this make you want a sub to see the try-on? I stayed 10 extra seconds. Alex, you're funny. Okay, I'm going now. I'm actually going. Did you guys clip that? Okay. Look at the Kickbot knew exactly what you were saying and decided to help you out. That was crazy timing. Can get a lot done in 10 seconds. Just sub to both YouTube channels and turn on the notifications too. Thank you, Timothy. You only really need to sub to the Alana Goddess channel. The other one's just like my personal thoughts, which I'm sure is not to your I don't know, like why, you know, just sub to the Alana Goddess one. Nicholas, okay, bye guys. I promise I won't be a million years away for 4 weeks. That was crazy. There's the Discord. See you in the Discord. Bye. Bye, Alex. You're the best. Bye.